How to fix Roblox error code 0. So actually, all you have to do here is just simply know the reason why you are experiencing this kind of problem or issue. Now, there are ways on how to know why you are encountering this or you are experiencing this kind of problem. First, if you want to know the issue or current issue of Roblox, you can go to Twitter, go to their site, and see if there's something wrong with Roblox today. Another thing is you can go to Roblox server status. You can just simply click a new tab here and then type Roblox server status and see what is the situation or if Roblox is experiencing current outages and problems. So you can see it right here. Now, if there's no problem with Roblox today, what you want to do here is to fix something that is problem with your device. So first, what we're going to do is to simply delete temporary files under your Roblox folder. So go to the search bar and then kindly type run. Now click open. So here, what you want to do next is to simply type this person symbol, app data person symbol, and then click OK. Now here, what you want to do next is to simply click this app data and then click a local folder. Now type R to simply locate Roblox, right click, and then click delete. So in that way, you have deleted some temporary files on your Roblox. Okay, and then after clearing cache or deleting temporary files, the very last method here is to simply uninstall your Roblox and install it again. To do that, you just have to type add or remove program, and then go to apps, go to the search bar, and then type Roblox. And then once you found Roblox, what you want to do next is to simply click this three dots and then click uninstall. Okay, so you have to uninstall this. After that, go back to Roblox or Roblox site, log in, look for any game, and then kindly tap that green button to download and install, and then run as administrator, then open the game again. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.